Macele didn't enjoy her marriage for a long time with Musamseleko. Musamseleko married Macele at the short time and he got married to Masaule. You know that sometimes Musamseleko thinks that he is the one who is supposed to be happy. Other people, they don't supposed to be happy, especially wives. You know, sometimes to be married to a selfish person. Even Mangwawe was right that Musamseleko sometimes he want to be selfish. He doesn't think about other people. Macele didn't enjoy her marriage for a long time, the two of them, because he have to live maybe about 5 years or 6 years. After 5-6 years and got married to another wife, Macele have to enjoy the marriage. Even Mayeni didn't enjoy her marriage because Mayeni and Musamseleko have a wedding on 2009 and Makumalo was always on the picture. Musamseleko was lying to Mayeni about Makumalo, what, and after that, you know that Mayeni and Musamseleko got married on 2009. Musamseleko bring Mangwawe on Mayeni's picture. Maybe they have got a 1 year or maybe some months, but Mangwawe was still on Musamseleko's picture. Even they got married, but Musamseleko didn't tell Mayeni that he have got 2 girlfriends, Makumalo and Mangwawe. They are always on Musamseleko's picture. So guys, those wives, if they talk about Musamseleko, he is selfish sometimes. They are right, because he have to take time sometimes to take about maybe 5 years or 3 years and bring another woman, because other people, they want to enjoy their marriages. Those women, they don't enjoy their marriages. That's why you saw Mayeni is going crazy. It's not about maybe it's it's the problem is Musamseleko was the one who caused those things, that Mayeni now she is like maybe she is crazy. You know that sometimes you can judge a person that Mayeni, she is disrespectful, what. That woman didn't enjoy her marriage. Even Macele didn't enjoy, but people are different, because Macele, she looks like maybe she doesn't have a short tempered like Mayeni. Sometimes guys, you can go crazy with a man who can bring another woman, and those women, they are still in his picture. You understand it? They are still in his picture when he doesn't tell Mayeni about Mangwawe and Makumalo. And Mayeni knows about Mangwawe, that they are already know each other, Mayeni and Mangwawe. So sometimes you can't go crazy, guys. Even Macele accept Masaule, but she doesn't like Masaule. You understand it? So those things, guys, it's very painful to those women. But that man thinks about himself, because they got married to Macele. They didn't have much time or to enjoy their marriage. He can bring another woman for what? You understand it? And Musamseleko, guys, Mpilo, you know that sometimes I don't understand that man. He can have another kids again outside the marriage, and they are still married to Macele. You know that sometimes, guys, we can judge Macele or what, and now he is trying to correct his mistakes to Macele. That's why you saw nowadays he is tolerating Macele. He doesn't have a choice. You understand? He doesn't have a choice, because we don't know their conversation with Macele behind the cameras, what they are discussing. He doesn't have a choice, because that woman, guys, have got many secrets of Musamseleko. She doesn't say it on cameras. She can't say it. That woman is very strong. If you saw Macele, guys, there is no woman who can stand like Macele. You understand it? So, guys, Macele have got many things he can say about Musamseleko, many things that she can say about Musamseleko. That's why even Macele says a word nowadays, he can tolerate, because he doesn't have a choice. Even Macele can control Makumalo, or she can say something about Makumalo. There is no choice for him. He can tolerate anything Macele says, because he was the one who caused the problem of to have those things about Istanbul, what. You understand? So sometimes, guys, it's very difficult for him. Those wives, guys, they feel a pain. You understand? The pain of being betrayed by their men. Even he bring Masaule, even they don't have or 3 years or 4 years, and he can bring Masaule again because he told Macele that he want East Temple. He have to wait sometimes. Even he do the same thing to Mayeni. Even Makumalo didn't enjoy, guys, because at that time there is many women in his picture. So sometimes it's very difficult, guys, to have to be married on polygamy because most of the polygamist men, they are very selfish. They think about their selves, they think about their happiness, because even Samseleku most of the time he can cry guys on diaries. He was crying on diaries in front of Macele. You know that the whole man, because the person who's supposed to cry is Macele, but was the one who want his wife to take care of him like he is a baby. You understand? You know that a woman was supposed to take care. You know, Mangwabe, Makumalo, Macele, they are protecting the. You know that Msamseleku want to use those wives. I don't want to lie, because guys, we know that a man, the whole man who was supposed to take care of his family, and he is using Makumalo. That Makumalo, you have to help him to pay his bills, because Makumalo have got money. What guys? Makumalo, she have nothing to do about that. Musamseleku knows that he doesn't have enough money. Why he took the fifth wife? Why he took Makwela? He knows that he doesn't have enough money. So sometimes, guys, the people are very selfish. I don't want to lie. Those things, guys, is very sensitive, because you are taking many wives, and you end up maybe you don't control them, all of them. You are crying in front of them. Why are you crying in front of them? Understand? It's about selfishness sometimes. You are crying in front of your wife. You are crying in front of Macele. For what? What do you want Macele to do now when you are crying in front of her? Because the person who was supposed to cry in front of you is Macele than you, because you are the one who hate Macele. You know that Macele now, she have got a lot of things. You understand it? But that woman is very strong. If you saw a woman like Macele, guys, there is many things, guys, Musamseleku done. But Musamseleku, he want to be treated like a baby because he is the polygamy. Mayeni doesn't tolerate those things. Mayeni is very hurt. Sometimes when we saw Mayeni look like she is crazy on television, that woman is done. I don't want to lie. Because the guys, you can tolerate Musamseleku bring Mangwawe. They have got a wedding. Maybe Musamseleku and Mayeni have a wedding on 2009. And he bring Mangwabe, Makumalo, and explain that we know each other with Mangwabe. What? Mangwabe is my friend. We dated Musamseleku when Masaule is alive. Mayeni doesn't know those things. You know that when Mayeni says she regret marrying Musamseleku, Mayeni was right, because after married to Musamseleku, maybe Mayeni says it will be better. Maybe Mayeni, she is number 3. Every woman want to be the number last, you understand? But Mayeni doesn't know that there is another trailer. There is another trailer of women, and he have got another kids outside his marriage. Imagine. And those kids he have got big, because Mpilo, when you look at Mpilo, he is younger than Mpumelelo. You understand? Yes, they have got many kids, another kids, many wives, girlfriends, guys. There is a lot, and he is continuing bring another woman. So sometimes, and you end up being sick. Those women are paying his hospital bills. So it looks like maybe was the one who is selfish on that marriage, guys, because you are expecting your wives to pay your bills. And why are you sick? Mayeni was right that Musamseleku, he is sick because of his actions. You understand? His actions, those are caused him to be sick. And he is selfish, like maybe he doesn't want those wives again to be out of that marriage. Musamseleku got sick because he want to get Mayeni back in his life. That's why he called Mayeni that Mayeni have to come back in Muzumbe so they can have duties to take care of Musamseleko. Now the person, guys, Musamseleko, he was supposed to take care of his wives, but his wives are taking care of him.